Are you wondering if YouTube TV supports picture-in-picture (PIP) mode? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how this feature works on the platform. If you're looking to multitask while streaming, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does support picture-in-picture mode, but its availability depends on your device and operating system. On iOS and Android devices, you can use PIP by starting a video on YouTube TV, then switching to another app or returning to the home screen. The video will continue playing in a small, resizable window. To enable this feature, make sure PIP is turned on in your device's settings under Accessibility or Apps. However, PIP is not available on desktop browsers or smart TVs. Keep in mind that PIP only works for live TV or recorded content and won't function during ads. If this video helped you understand how to use picture-in-picture on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.